Today we have activity ECB external circuit breaker installation with 160 ampere meter. But today we have reason behind this video, that before we make many videos related to ECB installation with 160 ampere meter or CT meter. In both conditions, SEC have some comments related to these control wires or voltage. This is control wire, and these are red and black or 220 volt supply wires. So related to these, SEC have comments like color coding before we are using mixing any color, no particular color we are using. The other one is the cables are we are using without lugs. Boot type or pin type lugs will be used with this gray color, or flat type lugs will be used with power supply cable. So these are, and the other one is cable dressing. So these three comments from SEC. So I will explain, like now first of all I will explain about colors, wire color. This is red and black color. These are for 220 volt supply for this is ECB. And here points are mentioned. The first point for phase, the other one is for neutral. So that's why we used red and black. But from this end, if we will check, the other end connected with source TB is both are connected at phase point. Why? Because here the voltage system is 220 from phase to phase, and from phase to neutral this one is 110. So for this ECB need 220, that's why we connect both this red and black wire on both phase points. If in some areas the voltage is between neutral and phase is 220, then we have to connect this black color wire on neutral point, and the other phase red color wire we have to connect on any phase point. But if red color, better connect on red point, red phase. So the other things, boot, other comment is boot. We can see that, lugs. Here for this control or control cable, control wire for between breaker and meter. This is gray color, and we use boot type or pin type lugs we use. And for this power 220 volt supply, we use flat type or hook type lugs. We can see here also the other end. We can see here the other end which is connected to source TB. This is a hook type lugs we have used. And the second thing is cable dressing. We can see like the cables are properly dressed with cable tie and properly dressing up to here for 220 volt supply, and also for control supply. Like we can see gray color wires coming back side of this meter and coming from up to here and are connected here. So the dressing of wires and even these power cables dressing is done very nicely and proper, neat and clean. So these are before SEC comments. Now I will explain overall this connection. Like we can see that this one is a source TB, this one is customer TB, this one ECB external circuit breaker, and this one is 160 ampere meter. So the installation of this ECB is similar, like typical to other circuit breaker. Same here mounting screw, and also one is a mounting screw available, and same mounting arrangements. This ECB can be fixed easily. The other thing is this 160 ampere meter also can be easily fixed, like other 100 amperes CAFA meters we are installing. We are fixing on same mounting arrangement with up and two bottom side mounting screws available. So this is after. But another thing in this complete installation, the breaker, when we will install this breaker, we will keep this breaker in tripped mode when we will make installation. Now this breaker is on, but when we will make installation, the breaker we will keep it on tripped mode, and tripped mode will show white color. When this we will rotate this key, and here in this window the white color will come, then it means the breaker is in tripped mode. And again we will rotate this key regulator, then if there is red color, it means the breaker is on. And again if we will rotate this key, then if there is a green color, it means the breaker is off. So this is like installation or operation of this ECB, and the other is complete now.